Meet Sam and Sally Homeseller. They are wanting to sell their house and are trying to figure the best way to get it done. They know they have options, but which one is right? Fizbo. That option can save them some money, but what if they mess something up and leave a bunch of money on the table? And then there are all the showings and phone calls from realtors and the paperwork they don't really understand. Sounds like a lot of work. Discount listing services. This has all the same headaches as a Fizbo, and I'm only paying someone to put it in the MLS. Again, sounds like a lot of work. Hire a real estate agent. This is an option, but how do I know I am getting a value for what I pay them? How do I know which one to hire? What is the difference between them all? They like the different options that high-end realtors offer, but are afraid they can't afford it. They don't know where to start. They wish they had the option to have all the premium services they want, but at a reasonable price. They asked their friends that just sold their house, and they recommended Hall Smith and his team. Introducing a new premium listing program offered exclusively by Hall Smith and his team. This exclusive listing process gave Sam and Sally all of the premium listing services they wanted to help showcase their home, like home staging, online and print marketing, professional photos, and even their own home's website, and so much more. All this with complete representation all the way to closing and still saving them thousands of dollars in commissions. Are you ready to potentially save thousands of dollars selling your home and still have all the premium options? See what this new listing process is all about. Reach out today to learn more.